Hello, hello. This is RJS Roofing. We're currently at Matt Devlin's 2 home at 3480 Buffington Lane, Cumming, Georgia. I'm gonna go ahead and just repair test video right here on the shingle. As you can see, it's been affected by wind. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unseal both rows and the bottom row as well, just so we can get a better idea. So this thing test starts, and it starts right here. So I'll be pushing this way. It's about 90 degrees out here. So we'll go ahead and finish unsealing the rest of the rows. Okay, so I just finished sealing these rows. I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up. Starting from the right side to the left side. As you can see, there's absolutely no type of damage at all on these shingles. As you can see, they're right there. So I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and do the next one. We're gonna go ahead. Oh, sorry for my back camera movement. Go ahead, pass this to my camera guy again. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out these nails. As you can see, no location of a nail right there. We have a nail right here in the center. Okay. Just took this out. We have another nail right here. Give me 1 second. Okay. It's right here in the middle. There. I have one more nail right here. Okay, we'll go ahead and start with the top row. It's a lower nail. There. Keep going. Try to speed up the process. You can see, start taking our nails out. We have a high nail up here. Okay, so we just finished taking our nail. Oh, we got one more nail. Sorry about that. Up here. Okay, so that was our last nail right there. So we'll go ahead and pull out this 3 tab right here. We're going to replace it with another 3 tab shingle. As you can see, we have a lot of matte breaking lines, so we're going to go ahead and start nailing this shingle in. Okay, so we'll put this in. Top row. let's just do a quick zoom up on this shingle right there. As you can see, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 damaged shingles, about 5 damaged shingles. Definitely see the mat breaking lines forming, so how much I have to say this repair test has failed. Please take this rule into consideration. Thank you.